Malik, thanks for being here, bud. What was the coolest part designing the XLR body kit? Did your BMW HGK kit influence your decision to go like carbon Kevlar?
Honestly, that was all on Andrew Bonham that built the kit. We kind of
Okay.
just went kind of over like the C6 Z06 kit, kind of added the vents and stuff. No one made anything yet, so
Mm-hmm.
it really was just like. And the thing was, how I am. I wasn't getting any of my sponsor money till like last minute,
Right.
and I was rushing him. He wasn't able to do it till he got the money, and so I'm like, last minute he had to throw this together. So like he used expanding foam to even shape the kit, which is crazy that he did it because he
Wow.
hand carved both, side to side. So he just looked at one side and went to the other side and was using spray foam, which is insane how because it actually looks really good and really
Yeah.
close from side to side. So
Um.
it kind of like goes off of just a Z06 kit in a way.
Wow. And it stayed together the whole year, right?
Yeah, yeah, the entire year. I'll probably try to put a fresh kit on it for next year. There's a couple little changes we want to do and like stiffen some things up because at like Grid Life, I had the fenders fly up a couple times because they're so
Yeah.
light that it
Mm-hmm.
just rips through the bolts and stuff. So little things that we're having to learn with that. But yeah, the even with the fenders flying up, and I even kept driving with them, and they still lasted.
Yeah, I
Right.
mean, you were putting it on the wall all year and everything.
And
Yeah,
into the wall, but
Into the
yeah,
wall.
and into the
What a,
wall.
and I mean, every round that we would show up at, Nate and I walking in, we're looking at the cars and we're like, oh, Hurst's car looks pretty good.